Welcome to this unboxing of the Intex Classic Downy Twin Air Mattress. So let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the air mattress. There's some paperwork that it comes with. Right here is where you fill the mattress up. This is the valve. So let me give you a closer look. This opens like so. This actually comes out. Okay, so there you go. This was an unboxing of the Intex Classic Downy Twin Air Mattress. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.